Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing a get ready with me anniversary Glam AF look. If you guys want to see how I created it, keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave my channel. Let's get on with the video. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with clean skin with my TATCHA Violet C-RADIENCE mask. So I'm pulling it up on the website. It's a creamy anti-aging mask packed with Japanese beauty berry, 2 types of vitamin C and AHAS, whatever that means, that unveils softer and glowing skin. So it's meant for dullness and uneven texture, dark spots and uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles. To apply a generous layer to clean skin and leave it on for 15 minutes. What it looks like. Oh, I already dipped into it already. But it's cute. It's purple. I've never seen a mask purple before. The smell of this actually smells really sweet. I like it. Oh, I look like a berry. So the mask has been on for 15 minutes now. Rinse this off and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and rinsed my face. Skin actually feels really good. It feels really smooth and supple. So far so good. I'll be using this STROBCREAM by MAC. This is in the shade GOLDLITE. I've been really liking a brush to apply my moisturizer just because it's more gentle on my skin and it's more sanitary that way. Prime the skin, I'll be using the MAKEUPFOREVER Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and this is the smoothing primer. And apply this to where I have enlarged pores, smooth out any texture on my skin. So about a week ago, me and my other half Christian just made 12 years. I actually did a simple anniversary makeup look. It was very subtle and we also got a massage, so it didn't really make sense to go all out on my face makeup. We had a really nice relaxing day. We got breakfast at a little cafe in Pearl City, Button Up Cafe. That place is actually really good. We ordered strawberry cheesecake French toast, and we also shared a Kahlua pork loco moco, which was really good. It was kind of spicy. After we got breakfast, I got a mani-pedi and he just got a pedi. I just got like a little design on my ring finger. Super nice. He did a really good job. We got it done at Couture Nails. It's so pretty in there. I love it. They're super clean. Service is actually really fast, so I like it. They're very sanitary. They actually use like a wrap in the pedi bowl every time they do your pedi, and I love that. So after we got our mani-pedi, we had a massage appointment at Massage Envy, and that was actually really nice. They actually have a deal going on. It's their first time getting a massage with them. It's $55 for an hour, which I thought was pretty great. We actually just got the basic massage. Got home like around like maybe 2 or 3. We did go to the Hilton Hawaiian Village to watch the fireworks at the beach, which was really pretty. Lasted about less than 10 minutes and we were pretty up close. Everything was beautiful. We had dinner was at 100 Sails in Prince Hotel. It was all you can eat, seafood, sushi, and desserts. That was bomb. Highly recommend. I'll be using the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I'll be using my ring finger to blend this out. Since this tutorial is about my anniversary glam, I'll tell you guys about my relationship. I've actually been with him since I was 14. We met at a party. It was funny because we didn't really click the first time we met each other. I didn't really show too much interest because at that time I didn't really care for guys. And for him, He was just really shy. Over the phone, he would act all big and confident and like try to spit game, but when it came to meeting me in person, totally different person. It was so funny. He was playing football at the time. He was playing for Sabres. He just finished the game that night. His uncle is the main reason why we're dating, and his uncle was actually in high school too. He was, I believe, a senior. Christian was a freshman at the time. If it wasn't for his uncle, I don't think I would have been dating him until this day. He just finished a football game that day, and he actually came after that football game at my cousin's boyfriend's 16th birthday party. We didn't hit it off immediately. It took us a while because we were both shy. We were kids, we didn't know what we were doing. It's crazy for me to say how God has plans for us, because I didn't even know his mom and my mom were best friends in high school. So funny how I found that out, because I wasn't allowed to date, but I dated him anyway. I guess my mom was in my room and she was looking at her group pictures, and out of all the guys, well, actually that group picture is actually from Ice Palace. That was actually our first date ever that we ever went to as an official couple. I guess she was looking at my pictures. Out of all those guys in that specific picture, she pointed at Christian and she's like, "Who is this?" I was so scared that she was gonna catch on and be like, "He looks familiar," or whatever. She just kept saying like, "He looks like someone I know." Later down the line, or that we were dating, she finally told me like, "He looks like this person." Come to find out, it was his mom. His mom and my mom were best friends in high school. She showed me a yearbook picture of Christian's mom, and Christian's mom actually signed her yearbook, which was so cool. She left a cute little message, and she even signed her senior portrait in the yearbook. Out of all the people in the world, like, how did we end up finding each other? You know what I mean? Christian's mom passed away years back, so I was kind of surprised that my mom even recognized him. And she would show me pictures of them in high school, at her graduation party. It just blew my mind. I'm so glad that my mom got to know Christian's mom in that short amount of time. So that's like a little special story behind our love story. Whatever's left over on my sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the lids. That's gonna be our base for our eyeshadow. Set the face, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty blotting powder in the shade Universal. And fast forward this clip, I'm applying my blush, my bronzer, my highlight. You guys seen that a million times. My mom called me. Hello, I'm at home.
How come you don't answer it then?
Oh, cause my phone is on silent. I'm recording. Say hi to my subscribers.
Where are you?
What?
No, look at me. No, don't put that.
Too late, I'm recording.
Answer me.
No. I don't know why my mom's being camera shy. I'm gonna be doing a smoky eye. Go in with my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna be going in with Raw Sienna. The brush inside the palette is actually really good. I'm just gonna use that. We're gonna use this as our transition shade. Next, I'm gonna be going in with Red Ochre. And this is like a reddish berry color. And I'm gonna be applying that below the Raw Sienna. Go in with a fluffy brush with no additional product, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out those edges. Now I'm gonna go back in with my Anastasia brush. I'll be using Antique Bronze, and I'm gonna be applying that all over the lid. Just gonna go in with my powder brush and brush off that fallout. Raw sienna. And blend out the inner corners. To highlight the brow bone, I'll be going in with my E70 Sigma angled brush, using Tempura as my brow bone highlight. So this will help highlight and lift the brow. Smoke out the bottom lash line. LA Girl gel liner, and this is in the shade Very Black. Apply that to my waterline and lash line. I'm gonna go back in with Antique Bronze and blend that out. Going in with Red Ochre to blend out Antique Bronze. To highlight the inner tear duct, I'm going to be going in with Vermeer. This is a really pretty champagne color with some pink iridescence. And apply lashes and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and applied lashes. I used the Lily Lashes Sephora collection, and I'm using the top row. The style that I'm using is in Luxe. I love it. It's so pretty. Finish this look with the lips. I'll be using the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Bon Arrow. For glass, I'll be using the Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade 64 Unreal. I love the doe foot applicator. It holds a lot of product, and it smells like cake. It smells so good. Ooh, I love this color. To set my face, I'll be using the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Okay guys, and that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love how this look turned out. If there's any other videos you guys want to see on this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video.